Hi, it's Steve from Clarity, and I just wanted to share with you 3 tips to help you get the most out of Clarity during the 30-day free trial. Now, the first thing is just get your clients signed up on the platform. So as you probably know, there's a starter plan which is free. So you can get your clients signed up, maybe just get 10 to start with, just to get on the platform, which you can link with Xero, QuickBooks Online, or enter manually. And if you've seen our how-to videos, you'll see how easy it is and how quickly it is to add your clients to the platform. And from there, you'll be able to access the 7 key numbers and see where your clients are now, where they want to be with the future analysis and improvement of the numbers, and then bridging that gap with the action plan and helping them understand what actions they can take to actually get to their ideal future. Now, all of that's free for your client. So I suggest you get them onto the platform. And then the second thing is having those conversations. So involving your client with helping create their ideal future. So get them to play with the slider and maybe manually enter some of the percentage improvements, but get them to do it. Make it a collaborative approach. So maybe on a Zoom call or face-to-face or even on the telephone, but get them to use it with you so that they're contributing to creating that ideal future. And then from that point, you can create the action plan and move things forward from there. So then that leads us to the third thing, which is create new service levels. This gives you an opportunity to either start a business advisory services or supplement the business advisory services that you're already offering your clients. So at the very minimum, it's having that conversation. So maybe you would like to do the first one for free. I don't know, it's up to you. But in any future calls, you could charge, I don't know, anything from £250 per call or £150 a call, whatever you feel is valuable to your clients. Maybe your clients could even choose what they decide to pay based on the level of how valuable it was. But the important thing is create new services from it. So ultimately, if you've done business advisory before, you probably know it's quite hard to get your team involved with business advisory because you need the business acumen, the experience, and so on and so on. I certainly found that in my accounting firm when I ran that, and I know that Ainsley did. Ainsley Damery, our other co-founder of Clarity and our CEO, also found the same thing with his accounting firm. So part of the reason for creating Clarity was to be able to cascade down those advisory services to the less senior members of the team, which will then enable you to scale up your business as well. So by letting your less senior members of the team deliver those advisory services, jumping on a call, going through, holding them accountable, just helping them have that call initially, just to start with. Where are you now? Where do you want to be? And how do you get there? That can all be done within the free level, the starter level of the Clarity platform. So you can monetize that, absolutely. And then that could be ongoing support for accountability. There could be additional charges for insights that you're giving to them to help them understand what they can change or how things can be changed. And then planning as well on how to actually make things work with KPIs and detailed analysis. You could also do that too. And then actually having the advice. So in addition to the accountability, having the advice to help them move forward, which it may come from you as the business owner or the senior management of the accounting firm. But those first 4 points can come from your team, and they can use the Clarity platform. And the important thing as well is once you've got your clients on the platform and you're working with them and creating those documents to help them improve their business, is then to start getting those documents stored into those 7 assets within the documents section of their Clarity subscription. And from there, they'll be populating everything all in one place, and their team will be able to see everything there. And as well, when the business goes for investment or for funding or lending, then they can share that to the person who's buying into the company or lending them money. And of course, you can verify those documents on blockchain as well. So hopefully you find those 3 tips helpful. And I look forward to hearing from you in the community, and I'll speak with you soon. Bye-bye.